Namaskar, I'm Dr. Pooja. I'm working as a principal scientist at CSIO Chandigarh. I'm also serving as a core committee member of INEAS. As you all are aware that INEAS membership call for this year has been extended until 31st August 2021. So I invite all the interested and eligible members, especially the young women researchers, to apply for INEAS membership. So why should you apply for INEAS membership? As a women scientist especially, because INEAS it believes in diversity, it has a good representation of women scientists in its core committee as well as INEAS as a whole. It's a platform for networking. So you get an opportunity to work with the people from different disciplines, so you can explore the interdisciplinary research domain. It's a platform where you can work on very pertinent issues related to science, policies. So you have an opportunity, you have an exposure to work beyond your lab environment. And it's a platform which gives you an opportunity to lead certain tasks, certain activities, whether it's technical or administrative or a policy related matter. So if you have a capability, leadership capability, it's a platform for you to explore, to grow yourself. So don't lose this opportunity, apply for INEAS membership.
INEAS has provided a unique platform for us young scientists to know each other, to come together, to lead programs, to network, to participate in each other's program and spread the word of science. And we also inspire each other in doing new things, leading programs and leading activities. As women scientists, INEAS in a way is very well represented in the number of women, and we all also get to see each other's work and be inspired by each other's work, and our work also becomes more and more visible. Please come and join us.
नमस्कार। भारतीय राष्ट्रीय युवा विज्ञान अकादमी या INEAS भारत की एकमात्र युवा विज्ञान अकादमी है। इस अकादमी के सदस्य वो युवा वैज्ञानिक हैं जो समाज के लिए कुछ करने की अदम्य इच्छा शक्ति रखते हैं। मैं डॉक्टर चारुलता, वरिष्ठ वैज्ञानिक एवं प्रमुख पारंपरिक ज्ञान अध्ययन CSIR नई दिल्ली INEAS के संस्थापक सदस्यों में से एक हूँ। मेरा चयन सन 2014 में INSA के द्वारा किया गया था। इस अकादमी से जुड़कर मैंने जाना कि समाज के वंचित तबकों तक विज्ञान का प्रचार प्रसार कैसे किया जा सकता है। यहाँ पर आने के बाद मैंने जाना कि समान सोच वाले युवा वैज्ञानिकों के साथ जुड़ करके अपना शोध कार्य और कैसे अच्छा किया जा सकता है। मैंने यहाँ पर कई अच्छे मित्र भी बनाए हैं और मेरा अनुभव बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है INEAS के साथ। तो मैं सभी युवा महिला वैज्ञानिकों से अनुरोध करूँगी कि वो ज़रूर ही INEAS के सदस्यता के लिए आवेदन करें, और मैं वादा करती हूँ कि INEAS की सदस्यता और INEAS से जुड़ना आपके लिए एक लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस है। धन्यवाद।
Namaskar. I'm Dr. Sriparna Chatterjee from IMMT Bhubaneswar. I joined Indian National Young Academy of Science in 2020, and since last 1 year I am in core committee of INEAS. I feel very proud to be a part of INEAS because INEAS is very fast growing and very dynamic academy of young scientists, and it is the only recognized academy of young scientists from India. We believe in ourselves and we have faith in our ability. We have full confidence in our own power to be successful. I request you all young enthusiastic scientists from all over India to join INEAS. Please do apply for INEAS membership and walk along with us to be the change that you want to see in the world. Thank you.
INEAS is the first Young Scientist Academy of India. One of the main objectives of INEAS is networking among scientists both at national and international level. When we say networking, it is pretty challenging for women scientists particularly to have networking. Why? Right from developing contacts with the fellow scientists to not being able to travel because of family restrictions. All this makes networking challenging for women scientists. And this is exactly where INEA steps in. It provides a platform, an excellent platform for networking, and please come and be a part of this beautiful family.
Hi, I'm Shirusri Roy Sundari, Associate Professor in the Department of Electronics at IIS Shibpur. I have been a member of INEAS since 2020. Being a member of INEAS opens up ample opportunities to promote science education through various outreach programs and also facilitates networking and collaboration amongst the young scientists both at the national as well as at the international level. Further, INEAS encourages women members to be a part of its various events by acting as jury members in the different competitions and also by delivering lectures. I have been a part of various such events and they have been thoroughly motivating. Further, INEAS has taken the drive to highlight the challenges faced by the young scientists, especially women. Therefore, I would encourage you to apply for INEAS membership.
Hi, this is Rifat John from University of Kashmir. INEAS is a society of young scientists across the India from various disciplines. Being an INEAS member, we do different activities like remote area lectures, we do science camps, we mentor various students from different places, from different universities, and it helps to bring best out of us as an academician, as a scientist. It provides the right kind of platform for national as well as international collaborations. Thank you.
Namaskar and hello to all young scientists out there. I am Dr. Pasanare, Senior Scientist at Division of Infectious Diseases and Immunology, CSIR, Indian Institute of Chemical Biology, Kolkata, and member of Indian National Young Academy of Science, INEAS. I'm also serving as the coordinator of the Kolkata Bhubaneswar local chapter of INEAS. If I think back, I don't think I would have been what I am today professionally if I did not have somebody to motivate me. That somebody doesn't have to be my immediate teacher or mentor. We scientists and academicians love our subjects and laboratories, and many of us keep ourselves restricted to the four walls of our workspace as that's our comfort zone. As scientists, we also have responsibilities towards the society we are living in, and thus it is our duty to reach out to people and spread awareness. What I'm trying to point out here is scientific outreach. Outreach activities not only help others but also uplift your own leadership qualities, communication skills, and network. As a woman in science, I felt that outreach activities have helped me immensely in expanding my dimensions towards communication skills, interacting with those who are in their early career stages, and lot more. Science outreach is an important tool for development of better scientific personality and serving the society. INYAS's outreach activities are diverse, starting from school children to college students, other youngsters who dream for a bright future, and much more. We at INYAS also help spread awareness about scientific facts to burst myths and encourage culture scientific temperament. INEAS is also engaged very actively with similar young scientists academies of other neighboring countries, nations, and working towards involvement of young scientists in understanding and contributing towards science policies. So, dear friends, apply for membership of INEAS, and I can guarantee you that you will gain a lot from this Young Scientist Academy of India.